So, guys, I welcome you back again on this introductory video. My name still remain Akinola King. I'm still going to be your instructor. So, guys, we are moving to the next topic under the introductory video, under the introduction to Forex, which is what is traded in Forex. You can actually see that for yourself here. You understand? So, let's move quickly, guys. So, this video is not going to take much of our time. So what is traded in Forex? We all know that. So I've already said that in the first video that what is traded in Forex is currency. It's just currency, you understand? So once we all know it's currency, then how do we get the currency to trade? You understand? So I want you to listen attentively and get your written materials. So, what you are traded is currency. So, in general language, money. So, all we trade in forex is money, 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 money. You understand? So, that is just it. Currency, money. So, let me differentiate it. So, we trade money. So, now how do we know the currency to trade? You understand? That is a major question. You know, buying a currency automatically means that you will invest in that the country that hold that currency. I don't know whether you get what I'm trying to say. So buying a particular currency means you have invested in that country economy, just like buying a share from a company. You understand? So let us know you buy dollars now. Automatically, you are helping the American economy to grow. You already participate in the growth of America because your money is also there. You understand? No matter how little it is, you have already participated in the growth of their economy. You know, you know that what makes a currency increase or the exchange rate to increase against another is just the how good the economy is. You understand? So it's how where the economy is that give the strength to the currency. You understand? And what give the economy strength is demand, high demand in their currency. Like, let me say, if there's a lot of exportation in a country, you understand, there's going to be a high demand in their currency. For example, now, let's say you are buying something in America now, you are buying something in America, so you have to change to the currency, you have to change your own currency to the currency they are spending there so that you'll be able to buy what you want to buy in that particular country. I'm just using an America for example because we know that is the most popular um country, and their currency dollar is the king of all currency. Yes, I can say that because it's the most traded currency in the whole world. Yes, it's king of all currency. It's most traded. Let me just write that at one side so that we just take note of that. Let me use this. Let me just say dollar is the most traded is the most traded currency in the world. So it's king of all currency. You know how powerful America is. Let me differentiate it. Let me put US dollar because Canada is also spending dollar. Australia is also spending dollar. New Zealand is also spending dollar. So let me just put US dollar. US dollar is the most traded currency in the whole world. You understand? So which help the exchange rate to high. You understand? So once there's an high demand in something, the price is going to change. For example, let us assume you are selling a particular stuff now. Maybe the thing is, let us assume you are just selling a shoe, um, a pair of shoe, and a pair of shoe costs 500 naira, but you have just 10 pair, and you are seeing up to like 50 people in your front trying to buy same shoe from you, and suddenly you feel like, wow, the price is now 1,000, because that there are people in your front to buy it. So there's going to be, once there is an high demand in something, the price is also going to increase. So when you buy a particular currency, I told you that we traded forex in pair, that is one currency against another. Once you buy a particular currency, what you automatically means is that the economy of the country that owns that currency is going to high, is going to better the other currency you are selling. You understand? For example, Euro USD. If you just buy a USD, like I make the example in this place, if you just buy the Euro and you sell USD, what we're trying to say is that the Eurozone economy is going to better than the US economy. You understand? For that particular time you are using to buy that um pair. So I don't think what I'm trying to say you are getting it. You understand? Let me just recap. Buying a currency automatically means that you are investing in the growth of that country economy. You understand? So, and what makes a currency to get strength, you understand, is high demand in that currency. And what can lead to high demand? Maybe a lot of exportation in that country. People are coming to buy their locally made materials. You understand? So once they want to buy, they have to change to the currency. So there will be high demand in their currency. You understand? So that is just what's killing the Nigeria currency. You understand? Because we depend a lot in importation. So that can't help our naira to grow. So until we started using our locally made stuff, I just tell you the solution to our problem, yeah. So, but that is not part of the training you are here for. So, that is for the government to take care. But we can also help the situation by patronizing the locally the Nigerian made products. You understand? So it will really help our economy to grow. But some people don't know that we all believe in importation. Buy something from abroad, import from China, import from, well, let's forget that. Let's consider what the reason why we are here. So now we have a lot of currencies in the world. A lot. You know how many countries we have? A lot of countries. But there is this major eight currencies which we call it most important currency. It's not that maybe they are that important, but the reason why they are important to trader is because they are the most traded currency. Eight major currencies. Eight major currencies. I will tell you the reason why they are majors. Eight major currencies. So let that stand here because we're going to use it more. So the reason why they are major currency is because it's the most common currencies among the traders. You understand? They are the most common trade because as an investor, when you want to put your money somewhere, you will want to put your money in somewhere that you know that you will get your money back with profit in time. There's a good investment, there's a bad investment. There's a lot of country currencies, but the one that traders trade most, they are the one I'm going to list it now out of a lot of currency we have. These are the major currencies. As a beginner, you must not go beyond these currencies. that is where you can easily put your money and get your money back in no time. You understand? So here are the currency now. Please be jotting all this thing down. You understand? Be jotting it down, please. The first one, the king of currency, USD. That is the first one. Let me change the color. Let me just use. Okay, let's work with the black. US dollar. The second one, euro. The third one, that is Japanese yen, JPY. The third one, that is pounds, GBP. You understand? Sorry for that. Sorry for this. So let's continue. We have listed four already, right? So we are going to eight. Okay, we have listed four. So the next one is Switzerland dollar. That is CHF. The next one is Canadian dollar. That is CAD. CAD. I'm going to explain all this country code. What I'm typing in is currency code. You understand? So it's called currency codes. You know, the currency code for Nigerian is NGN. You understand? That is Nigerian era. So I will explain what bring us all this currency code. That is what we'll be using in Forex. We don't actually say call euro. Sometimes we can tell you buy euro USD. So automatically, I'm telling you to buy euro against US dollar. I can tell you buy JPY GBP. So you have know that I'm telling you to buy Japanese yen against pounds. So that is how we communicate in Forex. So the next one after card after Canadian dollar is Australian dollar, which is AUD. So the last is New Zealand dollar, which is NZD. So these eight currency are the major currency. You understand? So if you are trading, you understand, no traders, you understand, that didn't trade this. Is it that trading or trade some out of it? It depends on the trader. But if as a trader, if you want to see your money, if you want to make your money in time and get out of the market, this is where we are. We said we traded in pair. You understand? So which means we have to say euro USD euro USD or euro JPY or GBP JPY CHF card AUD. So one currency out to versus another. So we don't just say we want to buy USD. This is currency, major currency. So when we get to currency pair, I will tell you how it's being paired with each other. But now we are just talking about single currencies. So these are the eight major currencies, that's most traded currencies among the traders. You understand? So as a beginner, don't go beyond these eight, please. Please. The reason why is that they add a very low spread. I know you may not understand what spread is now, but when we get to the spread level, you will know the reason why there is what is called spread and why you should be looking for a low spread contract or a low spread pair to trade. You understand? So and the market's volatilities. You understand? Volatility is just like how fast the market is. You understand? So you can see that out of a lot of country we have in the world, we speak out just eight. That is major currencies. You understand? So When you want to put your money, you should put your money in when you know it will be okay for you when you see it later. You understand? So not that maybe you'll be trading Nigerian sefa or rupee or so, So let's go. So why is this country code currency code now? Let's talk about their full meaning. So the two letter, the first one and the second one, stand for the country that spend the currency. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. The first two letter represent the country. The first two letter represent the country. While the last letter here represents the currency. You understand? You understand? So that is how it's been done. So I'm going to write out that. So let me delete all this. Let's continue the class. So that is going to take a lot of time. You understand? So let me just delete it fast from here. Okay. So the first one is USD. So which means the US there stand for United States and the D stand for dollar. The US means United States. Why the the D, right, stand for dollar. Sorry. So you can see the US stand for United States, while the D stand for dollar. So the following one now, this now stand for Eurozone. That is European country. You can just say Eurozone. The EU stand for Eurozone. Then the R. I don't know why they use R, but normal what they call their currency is euro. Well, let's just so that we won't get confused. I don't know the reason why the R is there, but what we call their currency is euro. So don't let us break our head for what is not necessary. That is not what we are going to use to make money, but just to know where we are coming from, you know, is what we must know. So we must know what we are doing. So the JPY, the JP stand for Japan. The JP stand for Japan. Why the Y stand for yen? You know, they spend yen. So yen. So the GBP stand for Great Britain, and you know what they spend? Pounds. So the GB, the GB stand for Great Britain. Sorry, let me use capital letter. Great Britain. And the P stand for pounds. Pound rather. So I believe you are jotting that down. So the next one is CHF. In this case, this CHF is Switzerland currency, but the CHF, I don't know. To me, it's supposed to be SW, but I'm less concerned about that. That is what give us money, boys. What we must know. What the use is the CHF, that is their country, and their country is Switzerland. Switzerland. Oh, let's use it like that. And the F is franc. That is what they call their currency. You understand? So franc. So that is what they call their currency. You know. So the CAD card is a Canadian dollar. So you know the CA should mean should stand for Canada. The CA Canada. So the D there stand for dollar. So the AUD stand for Australian dollar. The AUD stand for Australia. AU Australia. Australia. Sorry. Mm. It is not a spelling bee competition. Um, so the D there stand for dollar. So the last on the list is NZD, which is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand. The NZ stand for New Zealand. The D stand for dollar. Dollar decay. Dollar. So write this down. So let it be at the back of your notes. So these are the 8 major currency trade in forex markets. They are the most frequently traded currency, which in a day they are trading them day by day. You understand? When you become a professional after passing through this paper card, so and when you becoming um paper cardite, so you can decide to go beyond this major currency. But for now, your business is with this major currency. You understand? You don't have to go beyond that. This is what can give you your money you need on time. So these are called currency code. Currency code. So let me just label that out. They are called currency code. So these are called currency codes. You understand? So you should just take note of that. So we are getting there, guys. You have know that the forex market we trade currency, and now you have know the eight major currency to be trade. You understand? So we are getting closer, just a step after the other. You can't take two steps at a time. So it's just a step by step. So and once you understand the steps, trust me, the next step will be easy for us. So now the next topic is buying and selling currency pair. Yes, guys, that is where we are going. So that is the most interesting part. You understand? So once you know how to buy and sell a currency pair, trust me, what next for you is just to be making money and be balling. You understand? That is how it's been done. So guys, um believe the process.